pulled up in a Benz truck. Ooh, you pulled up in your friend's truck.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping Up with Q. On this side, you guys can tell that I'm going to be doing my college apartment tour. So I'm really excited to do this because I just moved in today and I also finished my entire room today, so that's why I'm really excited, because after today I didn't think I was gonna finish. Before we get into this video, if you guys haven't seen my dorm hall, go check that out, it'll be up here. And also my college apartment tour, yeah, the tour of last year, my sophomore year, it'll be up here as well, to go check that out. Also make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below and let me know what you think. So over here we just have my mirror, yeah. And then if you saw my dorm hall, then you saw that I got this, and this was, I can never remember where I got this from, but if you watch the haul you'll see. And I just have this right here by the door. And then as soon as you come over, you have my closet right there, and you can see I got some stuff up there, down here, yeah. And then over here it's like my little desk area. At this school it's a little smaller, I don't know, but I have my calendar up there which I need to fill. Then I have my printer over there, my lamp, pencils, pens, scissors, all that stuff, and I have my little thing right there, so it's all there. Right here I have my rug, fur rug, Walmart, y'all know, y'all already know. And then my curtains are right here, they're just gray curtains, and my grandma got these from Ollie's, I believe, which this was a perfect size because it's long and it was really hard to find like a gray curtain, so I really do like this a lot. And then my area, my peaceful area, I just want y'all to take a moment and just look at, ignore this bin, I have a leak, so in case it starts raining it has to stay right there, but just look at this, admire this. So first things first, let's just show y'all the bed. So I have a headboard that I actually made. Comforter set that I got was from Ross, so it came with this comforter which is reversible, so it's dark and light, sheets, pillowcases, this throw pillow right here came with it, and I think there's one more thing but I can't remember. And then I have these shams, this pink shams from Walmart, so I got it to go with that. I thought this was really cute. And then I have this pillow which I got from Walmart. Yeah, we got this from Walmart last year. This right here, this pillow, this is the one I wanted to show in my dorm hall, but you couldn't really see it because of the light, but this is how it looks. And I got this cover off of Shein, and I thought this was really cute because if you look at the headboard you see like the little gold pieces, and then that right there, you know, yeah, I thought that was cute. And plus I like a lot of pillows, so as you can see I threw in a regular white one too. I bought this on accident, so I just was like whatever. So then we have my tapestry, I don't know, that's up there, got this from Amazon. Then I have my lights that I got from Target, so they go all the way over here. I like this, I just feel like it's like my little corner over there. And then my blanket that I got from Old Time Pottery, yeah, it's really not that big, which I'm disappointed about, but I think it's still cute to go with the colors because it has the little things on it, and this is really stuff. So under here is where I have like a lot of stuff. I have my dresser under here this year, and then I have my business stuff, cleaning stuff, tissue, paper towel, like everything under here. So I have this bed really high, and which I'm tall, so that doesn't affect me, but yeah, everything's under there. So in this corner we have my leak and then I just have my hamper over here, and like I said, this is like my little corner or whatever. We had this last year in the living room, so I brought that. I believe we got these from Home Goods, this one and then the one over there, I believe so. I might be wrong, but check out the dorm hall and then you'll see, because I might be wrong. And then we have pictures over here with my family, and then yeah, my cousin Shayla, and then y'all know gotta have the food. It's not even much more too. And then we just have my TV, my nightstand, which I have clothes and stuff in there. But this year I actually have my own bathroom. I have not a full bathroom, but I at least have like the toilet and the sink to myself. So I did gray and white, and it's just basically this. I'm gonna show y'all those seat covers, and then I have this stand right here with my towels and my washcloths, and this is my toilet tissue holder. And then this is how my sink is. I just have my lanyard there right now on this. I'm looking to find like a towel or something decorative to go right there to make it look cute a little bit, I guess. So it's really basic in here. I have to find something to go on my wall. My bathroom's not done, so I have to find something to go on the wall right here, because I broke the thing that I bought, or that I actually made to go on my wall. So I also made this. I just bought a vase from the dollar store, and then I put welcome on there, and I got these flowers from the dollar store. So I thought this was real cute to add. So, and then y'all have me, the girl who lives in this fabulous dorm. Invites only to my dorm, invites only. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing my dorm haul. I'm so excited for this school year, and just being in my room, because it just makes me feel at home. So I love it a lot. But make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you love my room too, or you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel.